Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine and doing great. Today I'm here with a very interesting video, the effect of phenolphthalein indicator with an acid or a base. As you all know, the phenolphthalein is a very important indicator in titration reactions. So I'm going to elaborate this point here. I'm going to take a very strong base, sodium hydroxide base, and a very strong acid, hydrochloric acid, and indicate a phenolphthalein here. Okay? Now I'm going to add few drops of phenolphthalein in an acid and I will observe the color change. That is very important and that is the main thing used in titration reactions. Now I'm going to start this. As you can see here, I'm going to add few drops of phenolphthalein in acid solution, and the color of phenolphthalein and acid solution is both are colorless. And after adding few drops of phenolphthalein in a basic solution, you can observe the color change. A very beautiful bright pink color is observed in basic solution. Stir both solutions properly and there is no color change in acidic solution, but in a basic solution the phenolphthalein changes its color from colorless to a very beautiful pink color. So it means phenolphthalein itself is acidic in nature, it's weakly acidic, and when I add it in an acid solution, there will be no color change. But if I edit it in a basic solution, its color changes from colorless to pink. So thank you so much for watching my video. Like and subscribe to my channel for more interesting practicals and videos. Thank you.